I'm sure you've heard the news. Paper circuits are all the rage for DIY fans. Ready to get started? A paper circuit is a fun and simple way to learn about electricity. All you need is some A4 paper, conductive tape, LEDs, a coin cell battery, scissors, and a pencil. First, sketch your circuit design on the paper. Think of it like a treasure map for electricity. Next, cut and place your conductive tape along the paths you drew. Make sure the tape pieces don't cross each other. Now place the LED. Remember, the longer leg, anode, goes to the positive side of the battery, and the shorter leg, cathode, to the negative. Secure it with conductive tape. Time to add the battery. Place it on your circuit and connect it to the tape paths. Finally, test your circuit. If the LED lights up, congratulations. You've just created a paper circuit. If not, double-check your connections. Paper circuits are a fantastic way to see how electricity flows and circuits work. Give it a try and spark your creativity.